Hi everyone, my name is Phil. I'm a coffee enthusiast, and I've been diving into espresso seriously since 2023. I went with the ZXS S2 lever machine from Alm Kopi, inspired by a friend who owned one, and also because it's simply a beautiful piece of craftsmanship. Since then, I've been refining my espresso technique, and today, I'd love to share it with you. When I first got this machine, I found very little information about it online. That's why I wanted to contribute in my own small way, because I believe this machine is capable of delivering exceptional espresso. I'm far from a professional barista, but by sharing my love for espresso and my love for this machine, I hope I can help other owners who are on the same journey. Even if it helps just a little, I'll be truly happy. And of course, I'm always open to suggestions, feedback, or improvements. So please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. To make my espresso just the way I like it, I use a setup that I've carefully refined over time. The machine is the ZXS S2 lever espresso model from Alm Kopi, with a 58mm portafilter and a 20-gram VST basket. It's paired with a Winpark AK6 PID controller for precise temperature control. I usually target between 92 degrees Celsius and 94 degrees Celsius for medium roasts. I'll share my exact PID setup in the comments. I use Volvic water, low in calcium, which helps protect the machine and ensures consistent extraction. I fill the water chamber just below the bolt, which is enough for a 40-gram espresso, giving me a 1:2 ratio for my 20-gram dose. Today, I'm brewing with a microblend from Starbucks Reserve Roastery, best described as a medium roast. It was roasted just 5 days ago and has a balanced profile with bright acidity, a syrupy body, and subtle fruit notes. But most importantly, I really enjoy it. Freshly roasted beans make a big difference. You can see it in the crema and taste it in the clarity of the cup. Before grinding, I give the 20 grams of beans 3 light sprays of Volvic water. This helps reduce static, improves grind consistency, and keeps retention to a minimum. My grinder is the Timemore Sculptor 064 SSP, which I've set to 1200 RPM with a grind size of 0.6, ideal for this 5-day-old blend. I previously tried a grind size of 1, but was disappointed by the result. Once the coffee is ground, I transfer it into the VST basket using a magnetic dosing funnel. It snaps neatly onto the rim and helps create a clean centered bed, perfect for WDT prep. The WDT step is essential to avoid channeling. I take my time here. It's actually a relaxing part of the process. I focus especially on the edges and bottom of the basket to break up clumps and create an even, fluffy distribution. Next, I lightly tap the portafilter to settle the coffee bed. Then, I use a coffee distributor, giving it 1 or 2 gentle spins to level the surface. After that, I tamp using the Timemore impact tamper. calibrated to deliver exactly 18 kilograms of pressure. One firm press is enough. I place a paper filter on top of the puck, followed by a 1.6 millimeter thick puck screen. Both help ensure a smooth, even extraction. Before inserting the Portafilter, I always clean the rim with my finger or a brush to guarantee a tight, clean seal. Then I lock it into the group head, firmly but without forcing it. By now the water is at a stable and even temperature. I turn on the Themis scale from Bookoo, gently raise the lever, and align the piston just below the water outlet hole inside the chamber. This prevents air pockets during the initial phase. Pre-infusion begins gently, even if subtly. Then, I slowly lower the lever to let the piston descend about 1 centimeter into the water chamber. This takes about 5 to 10 seconds. Immediately after, I apply steady pressure to build between 8 to 9 bars, and I maintain that pressure until I reach a final yield of 40 grams. Once the shot is done, I remove the cup and place a small container underneath to catch the last drops and purge the group. Then I turn off the PID and clean the Portafilter, ready to enjoy this cup. So, what do you think? Would you have done anything differently? Do you have any tips or ideas to improve this process? Let me know in the comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I truly hope this helps others who are exploring this machine or diving deeper into espresso. Thanks for watching, and most of all, enjoy your coffee and your morning routine.